As you can see, these side rails, these step-up rails are pretty crusty. So we are going to use my favorite tool, which is a ball sander on my driver. Usually I have this on a corded one, but that one decided to take a vacation permanently. Knock all the rust off. Make sure you're on speed too. Works a lot faster. All right, we already went over the whole rail with whatever we could reach with the drill with the ball sander on it. Now we're gonna take our red scuff pad to get any of the areas, so just go over the whole thing. Get any of the areas where it's still kind of flaking. So this is what we're using, just plain old Rust-Oleum bed liner. And you are going to need something to shield the truck from overspray. There's not a lot of overspray with this, so what I do is I just jam the cardboard in here and bend it up. Put our cap coat on. So we just use some rapid remover, spray it on the towel. We got a tiny bit here, comes right off, wipes right off. Zero effort, zero. And a little bit right there. Cheaper than masking off the whole truck. And as you can see, just takes it right off. Make sure you stay spraying on the same side of your cardboard so you're not putting wet bed liner on the paint of the truck. Next project is the bumper. Now this one is not that bad, but we're still gonna do it just like the step ups because this is where you're gonna be putting your feet a lot and you're gonna want some grip and resistance, corrosion resistance, so on and so forth. Starting to get a little bit of surface rust on there. So we've made our way around the Tacoma, fancied up all the bumpers, treated all the rust with some 415. Front and rear bumpers and the step ups are bed linered. These have been dyed with solution finish. We're gonna do it again tomorrow. We saw this one already. We got our 415 curing on the front bumper right now. Put it on everything after I grinded it with my die grinder there, or my angle grinder rather. And then we'll put our layer of bed liner on there tomorrow.